Hello, hi Asmita. Nice to see you around. We'll just give a couple of minutes for everybody to join, and then we'll get on with the session. Hi Ritika, nice to see you. Ah, I will try and, if I can, during some of the sessions today, disable comments so that we can see the whole screen properly. I have realized, especially in times when somebody is showing their art or something, the comments do tend to occupy some of the space. Hi Rashmi, hi Preeti, welcome. I'll enable those comments back again once the performance, my god, now once people have finished what they are speaking or what they are showing. So, and I do have somebody very special who is just joined, and it is her and theirs debut on Instagram, but more about them later. It's I'm very excited about them being online, and I'm sure they can see me now. Good. So now they'll have to bear with me for some time. Okay, I think that should be it for some time. Let me now. Hi Lalit, nice to see you too. Uh, Let me now turn off the commenting for some time, and I will turn off commenting. Okay, great. Perfect. So now let me take a few minutes before I dive into the actual session. Uh, I'm sure you will have a very hearty laugh at the end of it. So during our childhood, television serials used to be of a very limited number of episodes. And in India, there used to be about 13 episodes. Maybe they were the same across the globe. So at the end of the 13 episodes, the series would end. And strangely, last Sunday was when I finished Reading with You session number 13. Now, I was, I had a thought that whether I should finish this crazy endeavor of mine, but then I remembered what one of the listeners, viewers, a friend Atit had said. Amit, you need to call what was going on as season one, and now you need to start planning for season two. And at that time, I brushed away the thoughts, but and suddenly I said, okay, why not? The crazy in me this time thought, okay, let's try and give it a go. I'm glad people have supported it in their own way, and I've been tempted into calling this session now. A small change to the title and renaming of it. So now reading with you is now beyond reading with you as we continue to try and enter into things beyond poetry. We have done that sporadically, but we'll try and do that on possibly a consistent basis. So, as I said, this is season two, and I am going to call this now. So, friends, my name is Amit Sangekar. मेरा नाम है अमित सांगेकर. माझं नाव आहे अमित सांगेकर, and welcome to Beyond Reading with You, Poetry Reading and More, Season 2, Session 1. So, over the past few days, we have had I've heard about a number of international days being celebrated. And one of the days, which was celebrated on April 29th, was the International Dance Day. And while reading through it, I came across this very, very lovely poem, which was written in 2009 by a girl who was 17 in that year. Her name is Megan Slack, and this poem conveys emotions about dance. The title of the poem is Live Free, Dance Hard. And it goes like this: dance when no one's looking, dance harder when they are. Dance to heal a wound, dance to heal a scar. Dance under the rain, dance under the sun. And when you think you can't dance, just get outside and run. I like this line very much. And when you think you can't dance, just get outside and run. Dance to the sound of the leaves, dance to the song in your heart. Dance even though you know that your world is falling apart. Such lovely words, and by somebody who was just 17 when she wrote this particular poem. I think Megan Slack has put these words in absolutely beautiful, beautiful way to speak about dance in this manner. And continuing with all these, I have somebody with me who is going to join us. I know her from my junior college days. So today we have her and her family joining us. So let me try and connect them. Just give me a minute. And I have sent her the request. They are currently in the USA. And that's it. There she is. Hi, Asmita.
Hi Amit, hi everyone.
Good. I'm just going to do one sound check before that. If somebody on the live could just tell me if they could hear Asmita.
Should I
It,
just say something again?
so I think the thing is, and this, yeah, good. Sachi says you can hear. Hi, Sachi. Nice to see you. Great. So Asmita is my friend from my college days, junior college days, as they used to call back in India. And again, I presume we hardly spoke, and it's only about this social media which has got us speaking back again. She is here with today, joining us with her two lovely kids, Ojas and Avni. And before that, let me ask you: everything all fine with you and your family? Is there?
Yep, everything is good.
Good, good, nice. So, the first to be on camera today is 8-year-old Ojas, correct?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
good. So Ojas is going to Ojas. How should I put it? He's been learning this particular instrument for the just past the 6 months or so, and he. When I saw his photograph first, the video first, when Asmita had put it up, I was like, this is something which should definitely come onto our sessions because it's just so uplifting. I found that entire video itself so uplifting. I know he's got a long way to go, but I think it's a good start, and I would really love everybody to see that. So could we now flip the camera to Ojas?
Yeah. So
Just
how?
double tap your
Oh,
screen.
that's double tap.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Ojas. Hi Ojas, how are you?
Good.
Very nice to see you. So Ojas, before you do what you are going to do, so Ojas is going to play the tabla. You can see the tabla in front of you now. But Ojas, tell me how is when now school is not happening, but still, what is your favorite subject at school?
Math.
Math. Oh my God. Okay. There's somebody who's still there going to be a mathematician. Maybe. Okay. But math is a subject. But what do you want to be when you grow up?
Pilot.
A pilot. Oh my. People have big dreams. Okay. Asmita, you need to be ready for such big dreams. Okay. Just tell me, what do you miss during this quarantine period when you're locked home?
So it was paused for a minute. I think he couldn't hear you.
No problem. I'll say, what do you miss the most when because you are now home and can't go out?
School.
What did he say?
School.
Oh, you miss school. Okay, perfect. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to hand this over to Ojas soon. So Ojas is going to play for us some of the, as they call them, kaidas, which are the building blocks of learning tabla and some of its variations. So over to Asmita and Ojas.
Okay, thank you so much, Amit. I think, Ojas, are you ready to start? Okay. So I think I'm just making sure the angle is good and we can see everything. Okay. We can start with this.
Sure.
Yep. One, two, three, start.
क्या बात है? Super. क्या बात है? Awesome, awesome.
Hi,
My
thank
God.
you.
This guy is amazing. I'm sure. What is the name of his guru?
It's Nihar Paranspe.
Nihar Paranspe. God, this is so awesome. I'm so glad. A big thank you to his guru first of all, so that because he has started learning this and that he's picking up very nicely. And a big thank you to you for having you and your husband for having supported him in taking this up. This is really brilliant. Very nice.
Yep. Thank you so much, Amit, for giving this opportunity. Yep. I know he still has long way to go, but looks like he's enjoying it. He's
Okay.
having fun, learning basically.
Absolutely.
That's what it is.
Correct. No, it was very nice, and I think everybody here enjoyed it too. What I want to tell people is, so this is just one. This is just about a certain person, very small percentage of this family's talent. Uh, Asmita herself is a very good dancer. Okay, Kathak is something which she does. She does, and that has also gone into her daughter now, and her daughter Avni. So Avni is 13 years. That is correct. Hey, hi Ojas. How are you?
Hi.
Very nice. Thank you so much. It was really, really nice.
You are welcome.
So now we will now have Avni. And Avni is going to perform something for us. And if you could flip the camera to Avni.
Okay. Can you see it or little bit?
Yes, this is fine. This is perfect.
This is fine.
Yeah. And hi Avni, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
So Avni here is 13. She has been learning Kathak for the past 4 years, I think. Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. And what do you want to be when you currently? What do you want to be when you grow up?
I'm not exactly sure right now, but I'm a little bit interested in physical therapy.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Cool. All the best. And what are you missing right now in this lockdown period?
School and friends, I guess.
Okay, great. So Avni is going to be performing some elements of the of Kathak for us. I presume she's going to do the Shiva Vandana, the Chakradhar Paran. That is correct.
Yeah.
And the Paran. Great. So Avni, over to you. The stage is all yours.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me start the music at the
Yeah.
same time, and I may have to adjust the camera a little bit. Is this better?
This is nice. Yes, this is perfect. Correct.
Okay. Let me start the music files. Okay, it starts with Shiva Vandana first.
वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्र ताराद्यं त्वं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवं त्वं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवं सात्विकं शिवं धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Well done. Well done.
This is the Shiva Vandana. Now
Okay.
we will go ahead with a Chakradhar Paran.
Okay.
Tha din din da, tha din din da da, din din da da, din din da. Tha ki ti te, tha ki ti te, tha ki ti te, tha ki ti te, ki ta ti te, ta ki ti te, ka di ka na, na ki ti te, ta ki te, ta ta na, tha ki ti ti ka ta ka di ka na, tha ka tha ka tha, tha ka tha ka tha, tha ka tha ka tha. One. Tha ki ti te, tha ki ti te, tha ki ti te, tha ki ti te, ki ta ti te, ta ki ti te, ka di ka na, na ki ti te, ta ki te, ta ka na, tha ki ti ti ka ta ka di ka na, tha ka tha ka tha,
And the next one, yep, thank you. And the next one is regular current.
Okay.
Which is called
Thank you.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thank you, Avni. That was really, really wonderful. Thank you so much. Thanks for telling us. Avni, what's the name of your teacher?
Guru Rama Manjrekar.
A brilliant thank you to her too, and to everyone who has been responsible for getting this art into you, and for you to having pursuing this. And all the best to you for your future dance and for your future studies, everything. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, Smita, back to you.
yep. Thank you so much, Amar.
Brilliant, boy. Your kids have talent, and I'm sure people will enjoy watching this. I now want Asmita has something for us, and just a minute. If I remember, it's a poem by yourself. You have written the poem,
Yeah, yes.
Perfect.
I have written this poem.
and this poem is in a. So before, no, let Asmita speak. Let me not spoil the fun of the poem. You tell her about it.
Yeah, sure. I know I'm not something like a poet or something. Just sometimes when I feel something, it comes in my heart and I just write it. That's how I call it. Few years back, I know that our age generations are almost looking at our younger generation, that how they are getting so much used to with texting, phone, and constantly rooted to technology. And even at some point, I was thinking myself that so much we are just into overuse of technology.
Correct.
Somewhere that was just coming into my mind, and with that, probably I should say a frustration. I had written something, such few of my thoughts.
Sure.
Now, when I see this, I just feel that in current situation, technology is what's saving us.
True. Yeah. Yeah. Very much.
Yeah, and that's I thought maybe let me just share this particular
Okay.
poem what I have written. But
Sure.
I think we should be really thankful what technology we are using in current use, the way we should be using it.
Okay.
So really thankful to technology.
Sure.
So this is going to be in Marathi, and I think that Amit will.
I'll give the gist of it. Yep.
व्हॉट्सॲप म्हटलं की दिसतं नुसतं फॉरवर्ड. व्हॉट्सॲप म्हटलं की दिसतं नुसतं फॉरवर्ड. खाली घातलेली मान बघून वाटतं की आपलं वागणं झालंय ऍप्सल. हातात उरलेत IDK, TTYL हे रोजचे कोडवर्ड. इमोजीच्या सानिध्यात आठवतोय का तो खरा पासवर्ड. आई मुलांना विचारतीये का की आज अभ्यास केलात का. आई बाबांची चौकशी होते का की आज ऑफिसमध्ये जेवलात का. दूरवर राहणाऱ्या भावंडांना व्हॉट्सॲपचाच पर्याय. अहो, दूरवर राहणाऱ्या भावंडांना व्हॉट्सॲपचाच पर्याय. पण शेजारी राहणारे बहीण भाऊ भाऊबीज रक्षाबंधनाला व्हॉट्सॲपवर कळवतायत अभिप्राय. सगळ्यांना सगळं कळतंय की हे गणित बरोबर सुटत नाहीये. मग चुकतंय कुठं. अरे उठा, अरे उठा, भेटा, बोला, एकत्र या, मिठ्या मारा. एकमेकांचा स्पर्श होऊ द्या. टेक्नॉलॉजीला होणारा हा स्पर्श सोडून द्या. मज्जा म्हणजे हे सगळं बोलण्याचं आणि मान्य करण्याचं माध्यम झालंय व्हॉट्सॲप, FB, इन्स्टा आणि स्नॅपचॅट. मज्जा म्हणजे हे सगळं बोलण्याचं आणि मान्य करण्याचं माध्यम झालंय व्हॉट्सॲप, FB, इन्स्टा आणि स्नॅपचॅट. पण वस्तुस्थिती आहे की या महापुरात नुकतंच जन्माला आलेलं बाळ पण हरवून जाईल फॉरवर्ड करण्याच्या नादात.
Awesome, awesome. So these words of Asmita are more about the various tools of social media which have become very prevalent for us. She starts off in the first 4 lines, which speaks about when we say WhatsApp, it's all about forwarding and our heads down, and it seems all absurd, literally to that extent. All these small words, like all the short forms like TTYL, talk to you later, then things like IDK, I don't know, are the norms right now today. And in the world of emojis, we have literally lost the real password, so as to say. Then in the next four lines, she speaks about mom asking children, have you studied? That also literally so on the social media. Ai babansi chaukashi hote. I mean, you are asking about the health of your mom, dad, and even office. And if you have had lunch at office, even the दूरवर राहणाऱ्या भावंडांना, so even your cousins who are far away, for them WhatsApp and these things are fine. But what about those close to us, to whom also we wish happy Bhai Dooj or Raksha Bandhan on literally on WhatsApp? Everybody knows that something's going wrong, but yet everybody's involved in that entire thing. Nobody's able to solve this dilemma or the puzzle. Get up, go out, meet people, hug people. Exactly what she used to say. An oxymoron literally right now to say. It's literally something which is and she speaks about technology. She speaks about the touch, the human touch, which has gone away, and technology is what touch is defined as nowadays. Everything, and even communicating this to everybody is through WhatsApp, Snapchat, and everything. But you have to remember that even the last line, पण वस्तुस्थिती आहे की या महापुरात नुकत्याच जन्माला आलेलं बाळपण हरवून जाईल. So even the newborn baby would literally be lost in this forwards and in this plethora of messages being sent on social media. And as she said in the beginning, it's such a contrast to what we really want. Now we need all that technology, WhatsApp and everything for the calling and for everything. In some ways brought us together in ways, and in some ways it has helped us during those times. So Asmita, thank you very much. That was really beautifully penned. Madhura here, Rashmi here have all liked it very much, and I can see that. So thank you so much. Really nice. I'm sorry for asking all of you to get up a bit early on a Saturday weekend kind of a morning. But thank you to you. Thank you to your husband. Thank you to your two wonderful kids, talented kids, and to their teachers who have made this possible for us today. I know that Avani's teacher actually recorded that in her own voice and sent it across to you for the performance. What I also want, before I leave, I want to quickly show what Avani also does. So we, on one of the last sessions, we spoke about Zentangle, and Avani has a project called shoe designing, and this is what she did out of that shoe design. So this is, and Dhanashri, who I presume who is there right now on the session, will know the importance of this. I tagged her on the comment too. So she combined her shoe design and Zentangle together and presented this. So brilliant work, Avani. We really enjoyed this. And Asmita, thank you so much for sharing all this with us. It's been wonderful. And very nice seeing you. I will speak to you later, but now I'll continue on with my sessions. And I have somebody exciting after this. I'm very excited to have them here. But thank you very much. I really appreciate you being there.
Sure. Thank you so much, Amit, for this wonderful opportunity, and would love to see your parents. I'm really excited.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So that was Asmita and her lovely kiddos. We will now be joined by two people who have been responsible for everything I am today. And please show some, there could be some technological issues, but please show some love to these wonderful people whom I'm just going to add. Okay, so first on screen, I have sent the request. I hope it gets accepted. If that doesn't get accepted, I'm going to make a small call on my other phone and see that, okay, that is connecting. Okay, I can see the house, but I can't see them. And the camera is being adjusted. Yeah, azun adjust kara, thoda sa, ha. So, Perfect. So, people, this is my आई, आशा सांगेकर. वेलकम आई, कशी आहेस?
एकदम मस्त मजेत.
Very good, very nice to see you. So finally, this is her debut on Instagram, and both my parents will be here today. That is my eye, and I have managed to get her to open an Instagram account and come live. So both my mom and my dad will be here today, and hopefully we continue with one of the sessions without any technical hiccups. So आई, आज तू आम्हाला एक कविता वाचून दाखवणार आहेस, बरोबर?
हा बरोबर.
ओके. कवितेचं नाव काय आहे?
कवितेचं नाव आहे आनंदी आनंद.
आनंदी
सगळीकडे
आनंदगड. कोणी लिहिली आहे?
बालकवी.
सो
कवी
बालकवी वॉज अ पेन नेम. आई, तू त्यांच्याबद्दल काहीतरी आहे ना, त्यांच्या एक दोन ओळी?
हा आहे.
हो.
त्यांचं मूळ नाव आहे
त्र्यंब-
त्र्यंबक बापूजी ठोंबरे.
ओके.
त्र्यंबक बापूजी ठोंबरे. आणि 1907 साली जे कवी संमेलन झालं त्या संमेलनात त्यांना बालकवी ही पदवी मिळाली.
ओके.
बालकवी हे निसर्गाशी म्हणजे त्यांचं आयुष्य हे निसर्गाशी निगडीत होतं.
ओके.
निसर्ग हेच त्यांचं आयुष्य होतं.
Shabash. So what she was saying is, in one of the conferences was where the name Balakavi came to Mr. Thomre, was given to Mr. Thomre, and he's a revolutionary in terms of poetry. He writes a lot on nature, and the poem currently which I is going to recite, Anandi Ananda Gade, is also a depiction of various elements of nature. So I will ask Ai now to recite the poem. Then, depending upon which paragraph she recites, I'll give the English translation of that. Ai,
वाचू.
वाच.
ओके. आनंदी आनंद गडे इकडे तिकडे चोहीकडे वरती खाली मोद भरे वायू संगे मोद फिरे नभात भरला दिशात फिरला जगात उरला मोद विहरतो चोहीकडे आनंदी आनंद गडे सूर्य किरण सोनेरी हे कौमुदीही हसते आहे खुलली संध्या प्रेमाने आनंदी गाते गाणे मेघ रंगले चित्त दंगले गान स्फुरले इकडे तिकडे चोहीकडे आनंदी आनंद गडे.
ओके. आई, मी जरा त्यांना सांगतो या पहिल्या दोन कडव्यांचं. सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन टू यू द फर्स्ट टू स्टॅन्झाज विच शी रेड. द फर्स्ट स्टॅन्झा वॉज अबाउट, इट स्पीक्स अबाउट आनंद. Ananda is happiness. So it starts off with a very positive note, says that there is happiness all around you. Okay. Varti khali mod bhare, vayu sange mod fire. So down, up, everywhere there is a lot of happiness, and the happiness spreads along with the wind everywhere. Nabhata bharala, dishata firala, jagata urala. So it is roaming in the skies, it is roaming in all the directions, and it is settling in the entire world. Moda viharato chohikade, anandi anandagade. Mod is anand. Anand is literally going around everywhere. Anand is joy. Joy roaming around in all the four directions, and it's literally joy everywhere. It goes on to say, Surya Kiran soneri hai, kaumudi hi haste aahe. Surya Kiran is the sun rays, Kaumudi is the moonlight or the starlight if you want to call it. Surya Kiran soneri hai, Kaumudi hi haste aahe. Even the moonlight is smiling. Khulali sandhya premani anandi gate gani. So even the evening has been lit up by this joy, and it's singing along. Megha rangale chitta dangale ganas purale. Megha is clouds, so the clouds are now extremely careful. Chitta is like your man, is your inner self, and your inner self is now completely mesmerized by this joy, and you are now inspired to even sing. Ganas purale. Ikade tikade chohi kade. So the joy is now spreading everywhere. Hi, bol.
वाहती निर्जर मंद गती डोलती लतिका वृक्षतती पक्षी मनोहर कूजित रे, कोणाला गातात बरे, कमल विकसले भ्रमर गुंगले, डोलत वदले इकडे तिकडे चोहीकडे, आनंदी आनंद गडे.
वाह. So, Vahati Nirzara Mandagati Dolati Latika Vrukshati. So, it speaks about the streams which are going everywhere, the small canals. It speaks about Dolati Latika. These are branches which are blooming with flowers, which are now swaying in the wind. Pakshi Manohara Kujati Re. That means she's speaking about the birds who are speaking some very nice notes. And Konala Gata Tabari. Whom are they speaking to? Whom are they singing to? Kamala Vikasale, the blooming of a lotus. Bhramara Gungale, Bhramar is bees going around everywhere. And Dolat Badale. Ikade tikade, sohi kade, anandi anandagade. Similar, the joy is everywhere. Just give me a moment. I think I've just lost them for a moment. आहेस?
हो आहे.
हां, बोल.
स्वार्थाच्या बाजारात किती पामरे रडतात, त्यांना मोत कसा मिळतो, सोडून स्वार्था तो जातो. द्वेष संपला, मत्सर गेला, आता उरला इकडे तिकडे चोहीकडे, आनंदी आनंद गडे.
Wow, very nice. So this is the final stanza, the final verse of this poetry. It speaks about in this market of selfishness, there are so many people. So Pamare is like people, poor people. When if you have to literally translate it, the poor who are still there and are in that world of selfishness, they are crying over how do they get happiness. Tyana mod kasa milto. That means how do they get happiness? You have to let go of that selfishness. Soduni swartha to zato. Dvesh sampala. All the kinds of negative thoughts which are there in your mind need to go away. And what is left behind at the end of it is in here, there, everywhere is happiness and joy. Anandi Ananda Gade. That is how the Kavi, Balakavi, has compared various elements of nature, brought in various elements of nature, and to express how joy is given to people. So that is Anandi Ananda Gade by Balakavi and recited to you by my Ai, Asha Sangekar. Ai, thank you very much. आणि तू इंस्टाग्राम वरती आल्याबद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद. आणि
थँक्यू, तुझ्यामुळे मला ही संधी मिळाली.
तुझ्यामुळे एवढा मोठा झालो. बट नेक्स्ट ऑन इज गोइंग टू बी अनदर. आई, आता तू पप्पांना जागा दे.
थँक्यू अमित.
थँक्यू आई. आरामात. पप्पा थोडं स्क्रीन मध्ये या. हा, हे परफेक्ट आहे. सो people, ladies and gentlemen, and my friends, everybody there, this is my dad, my father, my papa, Ajay Sangekar. He's joining in through the account I created with for my mom. So both of them are here today. And papa, तब्येत कशी आहे?
बरी आहे, बरी.
मस्त, गुड. आणि आज my dad is also going to recite a kavita, a poem, which the poet of this particular poetry, we do not know who has written it. It was written in one of my old school diaries. It is not mine. I couldn't write so much nicer in those days. Not that I write wrong, but in any case, it's a Marathi kavita. Again, I will try and translate it once he finishes. It's a short poem and it speaks about sadness. So I will leave it to my dad. I'll just turn off the commenting for one moment and I'm going to say, Papa, तुमच्या आधी कवितेचं नाव सांगा.
हॅलो एव्हरीबडी. कवितेचं नाव आहे कणिका. कणिका मीन्स सन, दुःख,
सॉरो. परफेक्ट.
तर कविता अशी आहे. प्रत्येक गावाबाहेर छोटा महारवाडा आहे. चौथीच्या पुस्तकात मात्र समानतेचा धडा आहे.
So the first 4 lines mean that outside every village there is a separate place for those who are untouchable, those who are not the best in the society. But yet, in the fourth standard textbook, there is a lesson of unity.
सरावानं जमून गेलं चार चौघांसारखं जगणं. हम सब एक है म्हणताना आपल्यापुरतं बघणं.
Aha, kya baat hai. So these 4 lines mean that as a habit, now we know how to सरावानं जमून गेलं चार चौघांसारखं जगणं, how to live like others. That is what the first 2 lines mean. And then it says, हम सब एक है. It's a slogan which means we are all one. असं म्हणताना आपल्यापुरतंच बघणं. So we look out only for ourselves, but we'll say unity. हा पा.
इथं प्रत्येक जण आपापल्या घरात आणि प्रत्येकाचं दार बंद आहे. तरी एकोप्यावर बोलणे हा प्रत्येकाचा छंद आहे.
Yeah. So here, everybody is within their own house and their doors are closed, but yet everybody wants to speak about how nice it is to be together.
इथे हातात मिळतात हात, पण हातामागची माणसं मिळत नाही. हातामागचा हा दुरावा माझ्या नजरेतून सुटत नाही.
क्या बात है पप्पा. So it says here we shake hands, that we feel that okay, we are connecting with people, but no, we are merely shaking hands. We do not connect with the person behind those hands, and this distance between two people is something which I cannot, which does not escape my attention, and the poet is feeling bad that all the physical aspects which we are speaking about, or all the things which we speak about outside, are not really implemented. So unity, etc., happiness is not translated into the real feelings between humans. The poet yearns for it, and he pleads to humanity to forget only just the materialistic thing and comes to the more emotional connects between each other. Brilliant. Papa, thank you so much.
Thank you.
खूप मजा आली. So my dad is the reason why I started reading out aloud in my childhood. He is the reason. He used to read the newspaper loudly. He used to make me read lessons loudly. As a result of which I started speaking, not loudly, in a proper way. That's what I meant. But he has been, so if my mom pushed me to all the stages, my dad made sure I had the right voice to speak into. And both of them have been instrumental in making me what I am today. So आई पप्पा, thank you so much.
Thank you.
खूप मजा आली. आणि आता मी तुमचा पप्पा कॉल कट करतो आणि नंतर एंड करीन. ठीक आहे, 1 मिनिट.
ओके.
Thank you. Okay, so those were my I and Papa, my mom and dad. So I read out a poetry, dad too. And I hope I've been able to translate those properly to all of you. So yes, so that was this is towards now the end of the first session of season 2. I'm myself laughing. I'm sure you're all laughing. I explained to people at the beginning. This is now season 2 in some form. And Atit, I should thank you for suggesting this or putting this kida or the thought in my head. It was very nice. A big thank you to Asmita and her kids Avni and Ojas, and to their families for consenting to be here and for having such a lovely session. Thank you, Asmita. आणि Madhura, yes, thank you very much. Thanks for gracing this session, Madhura. And so yes, great. It was wonderful. And thank you so much for staying for this session. And I hope to see you once again. Oh, in fact, very early. That is tomorrow at around 10 a.m. UK time. So hopefully we will have another good session. And I've just posted about it. We will have some exciting stuff beyond poems. And please don't miss it. You have a very strong Starcaster tomorrow in terms of knowledge. So let's hope we'll meet again tomorrow, and take care wherever you are. Stay safe and do not go out of your house unless it is absolutely necessary. This is Amit Sangekar signing off from Beyond Reading with you.